All right, so now we are in 1726 Nob Hill Court. There are some differences between the other home and this one. The floor is a darker color. I don't believe, I do believe there was a ceiling fan in the other home. Going back over to the secondary bedroom. The closet, I believe, is in a different spot location as well. Do have ceiling fans. It feels a little more neutral as far as not gray, more brown colors. And this one, the carpet is a light brown color. I didn't turn on any lights, but I can tell that they went with slightly different finishes here. Okay. All right. And here we are in a nice open family room / living room. There's no stone fireplace. However, you do have a tiled fireplace with a mantle. Wood burning, of course. And I believe the granite is a different color. Backsplash is a different type of backsplash as well. Same appliances. Breakfast nook. Now we're going to look at the backyard here from the window. Well, let's see. I have to look at that survey again because I'm not sure where the property line is here. But you do have that retainer wall there. You could do a little bit more with this backyard than the other one, but you see what I mean by the slope. It does slope off. And if you notice, it continues to slope off even down through that other property there. And so that's your neighbor's house over there. All right, let's go back inside. And we'll go on back to the master. Same carpet. It's a nice sized master, nice and spacious. Same layout, same floor plan. So it does feel kind of like 3,000 square feet. But of course you would have to have it measured. Closet is set up a little bit differently here. So you have the little built-ins here and here. And then the rods hanging back there. So again, if you need a much larger space, then this closet's not going to work. All right. So now we're just walking back to the front. Oh, this is I must have missed this one in the other house. You have extra tall ceilings, which is really nice. And a one-story home. And this one is 1726, and the other 1724.